Okay, so here's a really good top tip for you. Now you may well have purchased your skyVac Industrial as a gutter cleaning machine, which is excellent. However, did you know you can also convert it into a high-level vacuuming machine as well? Now how do you do that? Okay, it's quite simple. We can supply you with an internal 78 conversion kit. Now the 78 conversion kit consists of a drum with a front loading entrance. Now the reason for that is if you look at your skyVac Industrial, that is a side loading entrance, and the thing with that, when you get all the heavy sods of earth coming down, that goes through the vacuum unit quite easily and don't cause any blockages. Problem is you cannot put a dust bag on the other side. Now with the front loading skyVac drum, you can put a dust bag on the inside then. Okay, so that will be like your first stage filtration system, followed by your cartridge filter, which is your second stage filtration system. Now also contained within an internal 78 conversion kit is 2 internal tool holders and a selection of brushes. Now I know a lot of you nowadays have got the Elite poles for your skyVac Industrial. Now to connect your internal tools to your Elite poles, you're going to need one of these little conversion kits, a little spigot, which just fits in there. Tighten the clamp up, then your tool holder can fit in there quite neatly, and then your selected end brush, like that. Okay, now that configuration is really good for getting onto ledges. However, if you want to go and do some vacuuming against the wall, you can put this one on and then select your end brush accordingly. So then you can vacuum more of a vertical surface. Now, as I say, a lot of you will have the Elite poles nowadays, but a lot of you will have our standard skyVac poles, which are these ones. Now if you want to convert this pole into a high level vacuuming pole, then we don't need to worry about the spigot, as the tool holders just simply fit straight in like that, and then you choose your selected brush. So not only can the skyVac do gutter cleaning, it can also do high level vacuuming. And nowadays we're getting more and more inquiries for high level vacuuming for your normal dust and your normal cobwebs. It's becoming big business, so it's something that's worth considering.